Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G82 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now tap on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. Following that, tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and selecting Event. Now adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Over here you can pick starting hour or ending one, but if you don't want to, you can always disable this feature completely by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Now select Does Not Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, click on Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, choose videos to add, click on Add Location, select while using the app or only this time, type in an address, and click on the correct one. Now set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, change color of it and even take notes. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner, and now as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to edit it, you need to click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. Then choose Save again. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner instead, choose Delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!